you working with Excel, typing dates into cells or user forms you develop with VBA? Ever felt Excel doesn't understand you and misrepresent the date you type in? After many of my customers shared their data entry frustration with me and actually dealing with the same challenges myself, I decided to put an end to the dates entry pain once and for all. What were those pains and what did I set out to achieve? First, I didn't like the fact that when ticking and checking forms with the mouse, I needed to take my hands off the mouse, divert my look to the keyboard, and type in a combination of 10 keystrokes. Often I'll get it wrong and need to correct my typing. That takes a lot of time and attention for just selecting a date. Even worse, sometimes I was not even aware I made a mistake introducing an error to the whole Excel model. In other times, I was not sure if a date was actually valid. Are there 30 or 31 days in September? Does February have 29 days this year or not? Sometimes I just need to enter today's date. My computer knows today's date. Why should I figure that out and type in 10 keys just for that? Well, this pain and waste of time is now over. I'm happy to introduce to you the ultimate Excel date picker. I'm Mor Sagmon, a business software leader with 35 years of experience. I develop Excel projects for customers around the world in the United States, Canada, Australia, Great Britain, Germany, to name a few. My online training program, Computer Programming and Databases with Excel VBA and SQL, helps people around the world build their own career. The date picker I developed can be easily embedded within any Excel workbook running on Windows in less than 2 minutes by following few simple steps. No VBA knowledge is needed. You can brand the date picker with any set of colors of your choice, or select one of 8 pre-built color themes carefully designed to blend in smoothly with the user experience and branding theme. Configure the date picker to automatically pop up on date cells, or to present a little button next to any date cell for using it instead of typing in the date manually. The date picker automatically snaps to the date cell in the best fit position, considering the space your application allows, while the date cell is highlighted to keep your attention on the end goal. Hey, if you're developing your own VBA applications, the date picker is ready for you to embed in your programs. It will automatically pop up when the user enters the text box you designate to accept the date value. Upgrade your customers' experience and productivity, save them time and errors with no additional effort. The best part of the date picker is that it is yours for life for a one-time investment of less than a ticket to the movies. You heard it right, you invest once, you get to use the date picker for life in as many Excel projects as you want, including in the projects you deliver to your customers. And that's not all. You enjoy all future updates to the date picker. The newest date picker will always be waiting for you in your personal date picker page with all instructions and supplementary files. When I say for life, I mean for life. Below you can see the beautiful date picker, how it feels, how it's used, how flexible it is. This is the ultimate date picker for Excel, and with the one-off investment for life, this is definitely the best productivity tool for the buck you can get. I want to make sure you successfully install and fill the date picker on your computer. That's why I want you to save my personal email, shown right here, and if anything doesn't work right on your machine, let me know and we'll sort it out together. Your Excel experience is changing today. Get the date picker now and you'll never believe you had to deal with typing dates manually before.